As it says in the Jerry Maguire movie, help me help you. I'm going to give you some really compelling reasons on why you should subscribe to my channel. First of all, I am not employed by Tesla. By trade, I am a business owner and corporate trainer. I probably trained about thousands of people. So you're going to get good, honest, accurate information from me. Information that's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and most importantly, it's going to enhance your driving experience. So, if you are a current Tesla owner, I'm going to save you time as far as research, as far as tips and tricks. That's going to really help you navigate through this whole electronic deal, because remember, this is just a computer on wheels. And those of you who are thinking about purchasing a Tesla, this channel is for you for sure, because if you're thinking about buying one, I'm going to save you a lot of time on research. And just be honest, if you're thinking about purchasing a Tesla, you may need more information on whether or not to buy it. What better information that's gonna come from me? And it's gonna since I've owned it for 6 months, I drive this vehicle every day. So I'm probably your best resource. I'm like your neighbor right next door who just bought a Tesla and you're asking him questions. So that's a reason to subscribe. Okay, those of you who are not Tesla owners, a lot of my videos, I get into the differences between owning a Tesla versus a gas vehicle. And I think that's going to be very important for you to understand that in making an informative decision on whether or not you want to go all electric, or whether or not you want to purchase a Tesla. You want to be doing something like this. You open up the hood, there's nothing in here. This is all you really need, gas vehicle. And I think that's going to be very important for you to understand that in making an informative decision on whether or not you want to go all electric, or whether or not you want to purchase a Tesla. Some of the videos I've posted and some of the videos I'm about to do is going to provide you with shortcuts to use, because it keeps you from tapping the screen a lot of times, and you're going to have easy access to it. Here's the shortcut features. All you want to do is take your left scroll bar down, hold it down right here. So let's say we wanted to use a shortcut feature with let's say the glove box. Okay, I'm going to select it. I just press enter, select it. Now the glove box feature is on here. Now every time I want to use the glove box, guess what? I don't have to do this and go to the glove box to open it anymore. I could just do this. Hold it down. Bam. That you really need when driving your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. I'm going to take the time out of your learning curve to give you all that information right away. And that's going to save you some time and money. So that's another reason why you should subscribe. By the way, hit that subscribe button right now, please. Okay. Remember, I told you a lot of tips and tricks that I'm going to show you. One of the tips and tricks I show on my videos is the Sentry mode, the powerful Sentry mode that basically shows you how you have security 24/7 around your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Look at that video. That's going to help Tesla owners and people who are thinking about purchasing a Tesla owner, because that's going to provide you a lot of security, knowing your car is safe and sound. That's another reason to subscribe. Some of the other tips and tricks I've done on my channel is car wash mode. And car wash mode is great because that's going to keep your vehicle safe. It's going to lock everything, keeps water from coming in, things like that. So that's good to know also. And that's going to save you some time and money. So we do talk about that in my video. These are all the things that we're going to talk about, that you're going to get some good information and decision-making information on whether or not to buy a Tesla. And if you currently own one, that would be a definite feature to use. And go to my videos to look at that as well. By subscribing to my channel, some of the information I'm going to give you, once you finish watching the video, you're going to say, well, I didn't know Teslas could do that. Or you're going to say, I didn't know my Tesla could do that. So that's going to help you as well. I'm very passionate about my Tesla Model 3. This is a 2023. I drive it every single day. Like I said, who better to describe and teach about a Tesla than someone who actually owns a Tesla Model 3. So like and subscribe, and we will see you at the next video.